Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable auto mix in your iPhone in iOS 26. Now the first step is just make sure that you have the latest version iOS 26 in your iPhone. Let me just open it, go to the about section, and just make sure to update your iOS version to iOS 26. And iOS 26 is not officially released, so you can try the beta version. And once downloaded, what you can do is just go to the settings of your iPhone and scroll down at the end, and you will be seeing an option like called apps. Just go into the app section, and from here just make sure to scroll down and find the app called music, like the by default app of the Apple Music. As you can see, this is the official Apple Music app. Just open this one, and once open just make sure to scroll down, and inside this section called audio, like you can see, I have multiple options: cellular, streaming, EQ, sound check, and crossfade. So if you have the latest iOS 26 version, you will be seeing an option called song transitions. So once you see that option called song transitions, just click on it or open it, and once you open it, inside it you will be seeing two options. The one is Automix, and the second one is crossfade. Now make sure to choose the option called auto fix, turn it on, and after that you will be able to activate auto mix in your Apple Music. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.